Hi, I want to make a quick video showing you how to access databases whether you're at home or if you're using your own computer, not a school Chromebook. The process is just a little bit different. So when you're at school, the access is automatic. If you're at home, you have to go through just a couple more steps, but it's not painful, I promise. So to get to the databases, remember you go to destiny.mppsd.org. You all have the icon on your desktop, and then you log in the top right hand corner. Once you're logged in, you see this home page and it has all of the databases listed. So you can just find a database, okay? I'm continually changing this, but I want to make it easy. So if you have suggestions, please email me. We're going to go to the general databases. So if you use Master File Complete at home, it's going to come up with another screen, and because I'm here at school, it's just automatic access. It'll come up with another screen that asks for a username and password, and that's where you need one of these. So this is the password list that you can pick up at the library front desk, or if you go to your Google Classroom, under databases, you will see NPHS PDF, a database master list, I guess, of passwords. So you want to find that database. I know that Masterfile is an EBSCO database, and here it is. So the username is student, the password is Bulldogs. Keep in mind that you need the exclamation point in there, and that is the number 0, not a letter. As the passwords are updated throughout the year, I will change this, and I will change the little sheets at the front desk. If you have any questions, you can always email me. I can double check. It takes just a couple of seconds to make sure that everything's working. And that's how you access databases at home.